Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, January 27th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures basically flat on the day. Right now they are trading at $22.94 per contract. So all in all, market is flat ahead of the opening bell. Yesterday we had a flat day. We call that a pause day, a digestion day. But overall, the markets did break out earlier this week, and we still want to respect that breakout. So once we look at this market, we want to just take it one step at a time. Anytime you move up, you got to pause a little bit. You got to take a breather. It's just like somebody running up a hill or a mountain. They're not going to go straight up vertically. They're going to take a little bit of a break. And again, that's what the markets seem to be doing at this moment. So we'll see how today plays out. We'll see what it gives us. But in the meantime, we have earnings season in full force. So let's take a look at the biggest stocks out here. You're going to take a look at Google today. And what you're going to notice is that this stock is selling off a little bit, but it's really regained a lot of its losses back this morning. So Google closed at $856.98 yesterday. Had a big sell-off immediately, went as low as $822 yesterday, and now it's back to $851. So it's just a mild downtick from yesterday. No real damage done. And again, anytime you hold stocks into earnings, it could be a little bit like a rodeo ride. So you have to be a little bit careful, a little bit aware. This is something that just can happen from time to time. Let's take a look at Microsoft. Ticker symbol is MSFT. Microsoft right now is trading at $65.14. Closed at $64.27. So it's upticked a little bit from its closing price. Right now, I think Microsoft is still in a pretty strong technical position. So again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Not a lot I want to do with it right now at this moment, though. You can see the stock was a little bit higher pre-market, has rolled over just a touch. So we'll see where Microsoft goes. Right now, we're going to leave it alone for the time being. If you do happen to own Microsoft, trail your stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, just leave it alone for now. We'll look for pattern once the opening bell rings today. Next up, we want to take a look at Intel. INTC is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $37.85. Closed at $37.56. So again, right after the earnings announcement, it was all over the map. Now settling in really right where it closed. So we're not going to make too much out of this at the moment. We'll just let this market play itself out a little bit, and we'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. I do have levels where we would be interested in playing this as a scalp trade, but again, let's see what kind of pattern of stock makes in the next couple of hours. Let's take a look here at Starbucks. This is selling off. I have some levels here. Starbucks right now is trading at $56 a share. So you're hitting the daily chart 200-day moving average. I think traders right now got to watch even a little bit lower, around the $55 level. There could be an intraday play there. We'll keep it on the radar. We'll see what else it gives us. One level I do love for Starbucks today for a day trade bounce would be around 51.50. I don't know if we're going to see it get that low, but if it does, that would be what I think would be a gangbuster level. So if it gets to 51.50, that is going to be an excellent level. Right now, we're going to look for some short-term support around 55.60, 55.50. We'll see how that plays out, but that could give you a quick little bounce. Let's take a look at Wynn Resorts. This is another stock reacting pretty well to earnings. Stock closed at $95.50, trading at $101.80. Did go as high as $103. The real test for this stock is going to be $104.50. So we'll see if it can get through there. Right now, we'll look at it and we'll see what kind of pattern it gives us once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Synaptics. SYNA is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $60.90. It closed at $58.14, so good little pop here. This is overbought on the daily chart, but it can still trade a bit higher, so we do want to respect it at the moment. So give Synaptics the upside bias, at least at the moment. And right now the stock is holding up pretty firm. Another level I'll be watching for this stock would be probably up somewhere around the $68 level. If it got up there, got up to around $68.50, I do think there could be a fade opportunity in the name. So keep it on the radar. I'm not sure it'll get that high, but that would be major resistance, $68.50. Let's take a look at VMware, and what you'll see here, stock is trading at $87.10. closed at 84.21. I'm seeing real good resistance for this name around 91.50. So again, if it gets up to 91.50, I would be trailing the stop real tight. I might even look for a short scalp position depending on the time of the day if it does get up there. So again, 91.50 resistance for VMW. Let's take a look at American Airlines. Stock is trading at 50.70, closed at 49.59. A lot of resistance up here though. Anywhere around the $51 level. You can see in the pre-market even stalled up there. So again, that will still be pretty good. Near-term resistance around 51, but airline stocks have been flying high as of late. Let's take a look at Juniper Networks. JNPR is ticker symbol here. This stock is trading at 25.90. I will have gap levels for this posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Last but not least, Chevron CVX is a ticker symbol. Stock sold off pretty sharply, went all the way down to 12.50. Right now trading at 113.63. They just came out with earnings this morning. Again, I'm still seeing a fair amount of support around the 12.30 level, 112.30 level. So we'll see if that level breaks. Then I have other levels ready for us, and I'll give those out in the intraday stock chat room. So once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing there. We do have gold futures down 7.5 points to $1,182 an ounce. Oil futures right now are down 22 cents to $53.55 a barrel. We're going to leave it there, short and sweet. I want to wish everybody a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.